So today I have had to disconnect my battery and of my Toyota Corolla 2009 model, and I have now got a security code displayed on my radio. So this is how you reset it. So you hold down the 1 and the up seek button at the same time, and you end up having code. And then you start inputting the 3-digit security code that was given to you by either when you selected it, you could have spoken to the dealer about what you wanted it to be, or it is the last 3 digits of your VIN code of your car. Anyway, once you've inputted the 3-digit code, you just hit scan, and you should now have control over your radio again.